Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for heading over and joining me here on my channel, SEPT 18. I'm back to share with you another project for the design team that I'm in for Shabby Art Boutique. It's my Shabby Suite project. I shared with you another project in my last video. And this is another one that I had made, and I had so much fun using the Shabby Art Boutique latest digital kit, and it is called Autumn Whispers. It is available now in her Etsy store. You really got to take a look at this lovely digital kit. It is just so gorgeous. I did share in the last video some of the digitals that is included in the kit if you want to have a look at that, as well as a project that I had also made using the collection, and I'll put that video down below if you've missed having a look at that project that I made. So I did make another fun project to give you some inspiration if you would like to make something similar using the kit, and it turned out really lovely. I made a pocket, and this one is I call it the Shabby Suite mini pocket sized journal with a pocket. So I made a cute little mini journal inside, and this is the pocket that I made, and I did some tearing and layering, did a lot of fussy cutting, which I do love doing. So I laid all that to the front and added some embellishments here, some lace trim just on the corner here, a little cluster of lace to just give it a more texture and just softens the pocket as well. I made a beaded dangle with some crystals and a little acrylic flower and a pendant and a little safety pin attached to it, so it's really pretty dangled on the pocket. So I've done all of that, and this is the mini journal on the inside, which I'll take out what I've put inside the pocket as well. And I think this will make a great Happy Mail gift as well. If you want to gift a Happy Mail, I'd use everything that's in that kit to create this whole project, so it'd be a great way for you as well if you wanted to send some Happy Mail. So this is the journal, and I also made a little bookmark, or you could make this as a tag with just the leftover pieces. I just tore it and laid it to just create like a tag or a bookmark, and just collaged it with some of the leftover papers. It's one of my little ruffle trim. I've been meaning to put this in my shop, so I'm still getting around to putting the little ruffle trim in my shop, so hopefully in a couple more days time. Then there was also like a ticket strip digital in there with cute little images, and I just cut that out and fold that over and placed it in the pocket. But look at the cute little images. So again, it's called the Autumn Whispers collection, and I think it's for the month of September. Then there were also these gorgeous large tags inside. Look at how cute, this little mice in the teacup surrounded by gorgeous flowers. Isn't she just cute? And I just added some trim to the top of the tag, and you just fussy cut around the edge, and then you've got yourself these gorgeous tags. And this is a cute image as well with some mushrooms. And then there's a spot there where you can write. I just used some cardstock, A4 size printable cardstock to print the digitals, just using my Canon printer. And the colors come out really lovely. So they're the tags, and this is the pocket. So there is a lot of room in there, and this textured kind of paper is from Taperlogy, and I did also share the unboxing of the Taperlogy craft supplies that they sent me. Let me just bring it out because I've got it here beside me, and it's these different textured papers that that you get. I'll put the link down below to this paper here. This is the pink toned one. I think they're all different pinks and whites, and I use that just up along here just to just add some more fun stuff to it. So I'll put the link down below. And with Taperlogy, there is a coupon code that I have. You could use that to make your purchase. They have a lot of great stuff on their site if you love vintage or shabby themed journaling. But let's have a look at the cute little mini pocket size journal that I made. And this was another piece that you just fussy cut out. And there's another digital sheet with all these leaves and flowers and just so much. There's a lot in that kit for you to play around with. There's also word sentiments. This is a word sentiment in there that they're in the kit. This is one of my cute bird cabochon that I have. And I just add some tulle and some more trim from Taperlogy as well. And I add another little dangle here. It's a bird with a glass pearl on some chain and some more tulle. And just opens up like this. So it's a cute little pocket size. And this is also the lovely trim also from Taperlogy. You get a bunch of these trims as well if you're interested. They've got a lot of trims, and in the pack you get a whole heap of these random mixed length of trims in the pack. So have a look at this. I'll link this as well, because I'll link you straight to my page from Taperlogy, and it's called Sandy's Treasure Trove, and you'll be able to see some of the items in there as well, and you can just go straight there. And I just made a little side pocket here for some more of their cutter parts that you fussy cut. Isn't this just cute? And then there's also one of these, like a label tag. So I'd cut them out and they fit it perfectly in here. And this is also one of the prints. And added just some fabric here to create a little tab. This is another one of the prints, and I love this paper. I love the pattern on this one. This is just soft and just great background print as well. And then there is another one of those bingo kind of cards that I placed, and I've got a paper clip here just to hold it, and I just made that into a little flip. And this as well is the background paper as well with a lovely pink print. So I made that into a little flip. And then I'll add another texture paper. This is again another one from Taperlogy, from the pink paper textured pack. And I just tore it out so it would fit in the journal. Got a music sheet, another of the background paper from the collection. And this is also another textured paper from Taperlogy. I just tore it with my ruler to fit inside. That's the center. And I just stapled the whole papers into the cover. And then just going through the next pages is just the other side to the journal. Really lovely paper, and you can journal on here as well. So this is the other side, and this is that label one that I had just shared with you, which was this one here. You just cut around it, around the edge to get one of these. And I think there were two on that page. So one is here, and then the other one, I just folded in half, sort of in half, place it on the edge of the paper. I glued just the top and the bottom here to create a tuck spot for some more of the cute images. Oh, there's another one there. Just so sweet and whimsical. So let me just put that back so you can see where they go. So that was there, and then on the other side I just glued it down completely just to decorate the other background print from the Autumn Whispers collection. And then there is just a couple more pieces. And then the back here, I made a side tuck spot for some of the tags, because there are also tags in there for you to cut out. There's that beautiful print that I like. Place it in there, and these are some of the leaves and the flowers. You get a ton of those for you to cut out. And I did lightly distress some of the images that I cut out with the tea dye distress ink by Tim Holtz. And this is the back, and this is also one of the background papers. I love this paper. I love this background paper. It's just a lovely a white wash color with that nice wood grain. So that is the little journal. Fits in the palm of my hand, and just really simple. And I just thought that was a great way to make one of those. And I made a pocket, a few little bits and pieces from the collection. So I might go that way. So I just wanted to share with you this project. And these are the gorgeous tags. So I hope you enjoyed my little project share, and I will be back with more projects and tutorials in my next coming videos. So thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time. Bye.